In this problem, we need to calculate the number of moles of potassium sulfate in a sample that weighs 0.246 grams. In order to convert to moles, we're going to need a conversion factor. So we're going to need to multiply by a conversion factor that has grams in the denominator and moles in the numerator. That way we can cancel out the units of grams. This quantity will be the inverse of the molar mass, which has units of grams per mole. The molar mass of potassium is 39.10 grams per mole. The molar mass of sulfur is 32.07 grams per mole, and the molar mass of oxygen is 16.00 grams per mole. Now that we have the molar masses of each of the atoms in potassium sulfate, we can calculate the overall molar mass of the compound. Because there are 2 atoms of potassium for every 1 unit of potassium sulfate, we're going to need to multiply the molar mass of potassium by 2. There's only 1 sulfur, so we're only going to multiply that molar mass by 1. However, for oxygen, we can see that there are 4 atoms of oxygen for every 1 unit of potassium sulfate, so we'll need to multiply the molar mass of oxygen by 4. Once we do those multiplications and we add up all the totals, we'll end up with a molar mass of 174.3 grams per mole. So this is the molar mass of potassium sulfate, and this is going to become our conversion factor, because what it tells us is that there is 1 mole for every 174.3 grams. So now we just need to follow through the math. You can see that the units of grams are going to cancel out, and we're going to end up with a number of 0.00141 moles. Or we can re-express this in, actually that should be 1.41 times 10 to the minus 3 moles.